Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. Look, y'all, UNice got some new packaging. That is cute. Okay, I'm here for that. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox her and show you guys the good and the hair. Well, the goods and the hair. Today's unit I have is their 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. This is a deep wave wig. She's 24 inches. The density is 150% and the color is a honey color. So they did provide us with the middle part, as you guys are seeing, okay, in the building, in the clutch. Thank you. So I'm gonna put the lace on. This is a HD lace. The lace is also pre-plucked. Clap, round of applause for that. So this is what she's giving, y'all, and she was super soft straight out of the package. So off camera, I did go ahead and, just pluck it just a little bit more. And I also added some cream foundation. Like I said, the lace was already tinted, but I'm just a little extra because I want to make sure everything is well blended. So I'm just going in to cut off the lace. This is an HD lace, okay? I love HD laces, y'all. They're just super flawless and they be making you say, what lace, okay? So HD lace is the way to go. So we cut all the lace off, and I did remember, or just remember, that I did not hot comb my hair before cutting off that lace. I really hate when I do that, but hey, we still can make it work anyway, because when you reinstall your units, you hot comb it without the lace. So let me stop being extra. Anyway, I'm just going in and redefining that part. They did provide us with a middle part, but I'm just straightening it up a little bit. When I want to be extra and want my unit to lay super flat, I actually divide the hair up in sections and add the wax on each section and then hot comb it down, because I just feel like, it just makes everything lay down super duper flat, especially when I don't want to go in and pluck too much in the middle section. So this tip is really, really helpful. So I'm going back in and holding the lace since it's not laid down. I know, y'all, it looks laid down, right? That's that HD lace for you. But anyway, I'm just holding down the lace and making sure I'm getting everything as flat as possible. So now I'm going in with my wig dealer wig spray. I think that's what it's called. Y'all, I be doing the name sometimes and sometimes I don't. But anyway, I'm just going to go in and lay my entire unit down with this spray. I love this spray, y'all, okay? And this is actually a humidity resistant spray as well. So if it's too hot, you're sweating a little bit, your wig ain't going nowhere. So we're gonna go ahead and lay it down. And look at that, y'all. Boom, bam, and a boom, boom, okay? So I also use my finger, or you can use a comb to reinforce your lace to stay down. But make sure it's not rolled up, or make sure that when if you're pulling back on your lace and it did not adhere, just add a little bit more spices and then lay it down with your comb. I like to comb through my hair too while the unit is drying or the lace is adhering, because sometimes if I spray the lace or if I spray the wig spray on the lace, it'll get hard if I just let the product build up. So I just go in and comb it out as it is drying. Alright guys, so this is what she's giving us. I'm about to remove the wrap so you guys can see what she is looking like. And baby, boom, she is looking bomb.com. You know, I should have left it like this, but sometimes you don't know how good it looks until you run the footage back. And then you're just like, what? Like, it could have just been a no baby hair install, for real. But anyway, I'm just going to do my baby hairs like I stated because, you know, she wanted to be a little extra. So today I'm actually using my Kiss flat iron to create my baby hairs. I slept on this method. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I slept on this method. Now it took me a minute to get the hang of curling it, and I wanted to curl it away from my face so the swoops could, you know, lay the way I would like them to lay. So I really love this method. If you guys have not tried this, you definitely should try this. This little flat iron, it heats up so quick. So sis, get it. Try it, okay? Now I'm just gonna go in and take some of my got2b gel to swoop my swoops into place. So yeah, that's what we're using. And like I said, with that flat iron method, it just really helped mold my baby hairs in the way that I needed them to go, instead of me doing it from scratch. So I really appreciate that method. Whoever thought about that first, kudos, because it's fire. So now I'm just going to go in one more time with the root section. And let me tell you guys something. I really love the root section because I swear it goes from like a chocolate brown and fades into like a pretty honey blonde. It's giving Beyonce, okay? It's a really pretty color. And I love the unit too because it's very vibrant. It's not dull. Y'all, this is a wig that you about to pop out and be like show stopping it, okay? So like I said, I be feeling like I downplay the units when I don't dress for the wigs because the wigs be popping and I be low-key like taking them down a notch because of the outfit. But I'm telling you guys, this unit is so freaking pretty. So yeah, I am going in and just putting some foam wrap lotion on the unit, and I was gonna be done, but I just wanted to see what the unit would look like with some wand curls, and I wanted to use my Remington again because it was super small. So I was like, it's cute, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different. Also test the hair out to see how well it will hold a curl. So. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it, y'all. This unit is so freaking bomb. It came out of the package super soft, and I was shocked because it's colored. You know, sometimes pre-colored units can feel a little drying and may need a little co-washing, but this unit, that was not the case, okay? Super soft. I had just a little bit of shedding when I first detangled it. As far as tangling, got one or two here and there when I was going in to first detangle it as well. Like I said, this is my first install, so I'm not sure what's going to happen along the lines in the future. But as of right now, y'all, this unit is bomb.com. I also love the lace, y'all. HD is my favorite. So anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye guys.